Hey guys, I got the dyno data out this morning. We're going to try to get a 4S pass in. Still running the stock motor. GPS is on. Testing. 6 miles an hour. 0. She's picking up. Let's see what we can do, guys. I think I got it pointed the right direction. We'll see here. Went a little further than I like to go. But hey. Car drove pretty straight, so I'm proud of that. Let's see. Still picking up. 121. That's pretty awesome, guys. This car is, I'll just show real quick, as long as no traffic comes. Now, I'm running the new Liperior 9000 speedrun lipo. These are awesome lipos. I'll show the data log at the end here. Of course, stock Spectrum motor there, and my cooling duct really makes a big difference. But 121 on 4S stock motor, pretty healthy. I'm really impressed with these lipos. You should check them out, rcbattery.com. Guarantee you that you will not be disappointed in those. So anyway, guys, as always, I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one. Alright, I think she's headed my way. Let's see here. Alright, guys, it looked pretty good. Of course, that 121 pass looked pretty good too, so she's picking up. So 122. Man, I can't complain about that, guys. That is awesome.